think, Nathy, we two met through the Bata community, maybe 2 years ago. I don't know. Time flies.
3 years ago.
Like, 3 years. I'm sorry. So please don't kick me out. And I'm old.
It looks like this old relationship. Like, how long have you been together? And then like the husband always got it wrong. And
I was thinking the same thing. And for Alex, it's even worse. I cannot remember.
LinkedIn, maybe it's Tinder. I don't remember.
LinkedIn, the Tinder of facilitators. Yeah, that's how we met. And last in the row, of course, Mehdi, who promised me to put me on his podcast, and I'm still waiting. So that's how we met for 1 year now. But it will be a great episode once we record.
Yeah, no, because it's going to be recorded, but then you have to wait for Mehdi to edit the recording. So it might be 2 years, in fact.
I'm going to comment on this because I want to make the introduction sharp.
Over to Mehdi.
I think it's better for inclusivity to have, a white guy now. Maybe Alex, you can go first. And did I just make it awkward? I can go.
Yes.